Too many young adults today are being diagnosed with liver damage due to binge drinking in their early 20s. Like me, for example. I'm a 28-year-old woman that has a whole life ahead of me, and I have a bad liver from years of drinking when I was a cocktail waitress. I lived the party life day in and day out. I practically lived at that job. Drinks were endlessly being bought for me and I loved it. But I was a binge drinker. I didn't stop to eat or drink or even wake up and take time to hydrate the day after. I ran solely on alcohol. I thought that was okay since I was young. I didn't think a few years of drinking would be a big deal. There are alcoholics that drink their whole lives and they're fine. Boy, was I wrong. Long story short, I got to the point that my liver was enlarged and I was in constant pain for months. Still not getting it through my head that I needed to freaking hydrate. Not all is lost though. Your liver is a miraculous organ that can regenerate itself, but it needs your help. Today I'm going to share with you my simple solution that I use to bring down my inflammation and get on the road to recovery. As I said before, hydrate. Your liver needs you to hydrate and start filtering out all the garbage you've put into it. The National Academy of Science suggests men drink 3.7 liters of fluids a day, and 2.7 liters of fluids a day for women. I wake up in the morning and make myself a cup of black coffee with my electric kettle. Coffee is good for liver regeneration and to help with scarring of the liver. The rest of the water I have left over I use to make my favorite herbal tea and usually have it all drank by 2 p.m. Throughout the rest of the day I drink 1 liter of lemon water. Ever since I've changed my daily intake in water, my liver has not given me problems and I feel healthier overall. So if you are suffering from liver problems, my suggestion for you is invest in an electric kettle which is 1 liter and also a water pitcher that is 1 liter. Lemons, coffee, and your favorite herbal tea are your new best friend. Here's to restoring our livers and bodies. Drink up!